Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simplest causes, a dead battery or a frozen OS. Plug the iPhone into a known good charger and wait 3 minutes to rule out zero charge. Once charging is confirmed, perform a force restart. This clears transient software hangs without erasing data. Make sure to watch the screen and listen for sounds. If nothing changes, inspect the lightning port and exterior for damage, because physical faults change what you try next. Once a force restart did not work, move to recovery mode to update iOS without wiping your data. Connect to a computer and select Update when prompted. If recovery mode fails, enter DFU mode to reinstall both firmware and software. This fixes more stubborn corruption. Make sure you have a recent backup because DFU erases the device. You'll need the latest Finder or iTunes version and a reliable cable. Patience matters because updates can. If both recovery and DFU fail, you've narrowed the problem to hardware: screen, cable, battery, or logic board. You can validate by testing a known good screen or visiting an authorized technician who will run diagnostics and explain repair options. Make sure to ask about warranty, costs, and whether data recovery is possible. If things still go wrong, check the liquid contact indicators and serial diagnostics. They guide whether an in-warranty repair applies and prevent unnecessary work.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.